So what's up, everybody? I just want us to do a quick recap of the trades that we were able to take today. So the first trade was this Euro USD trade, and I told you guys that we looked at the Euro USD. We were bearish. Okay, we were bearish in the 1 hour time frame and also in the daily time frame. So that is a break of structure, meaning we were bearish. So basically what I was looking out for was for a break of structure in the 15 minutes time frame to confirm the bearish nature of price. And as you can see, this was a high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. Then we shifted at this point over here. So I was anticipating to take some sales from this point over here, which was a trade that I sent to the group. But as you can see, we were invalidated, and that was a stop loss for Euro USD. So that was the only trade that I was able to identify for Euro USD, because honestly I was bearish for Euro USD. I was looking for bearish opportunities only. So let's go to another pair, which is BTCUSD. So BTCUSD, yesterday I sent you guys this one. I sent this trade out, and as you can see, this was a break of structure, meaning that price was bearish in the 1 hour time frame. Okay, and if it was bearish in the 1 hour time frame, I just came and looked for a break of structure in the M15 time frame, and as you can see, we had this break of structure. Price came back and tapped this zone, gave us this push, a 1:2. Then again we can see these are low, high, low. We broke this structure over here. Price came back and tapped this order block. We had this push again. Then we had this another break of structure over here. Okay, this was the break of structure. The originator of the move was here. Okay, but there was this also, or this order block over here also. Let me just expand it so that you can be able to see. You can see this was the last candle that printed before the push to the low. So this was my order block also. So we were anticipating sales from this point over here, and as you can see, it gave us a good drop. Okay, then another opportunity was this one. You can see here we have a break of structure, and if that's a break of structure, we waited for price to come and mitigate this zone over here. It gave us a small push before we were invalidated. So basically for Bitcoin, we were able to catch almost 3 trades. 2 were profitable, then only 1 became a stop loss. Let's look at another pair, which is gold. Gold, I told you guys that we are bullish in the daily time frame, in the 1 hour time frame, and then what I was waiting for was for price to break structure. You can see here we broke structure. Okay, then this was the order block that caused the break of structure, and this was a very beautiful trade that I have just closed some few minutes ago. It was a beautiful trade, and yeah, that was a very good move. The last pair that I want us to see is GBPJPY. So GBPJPY. So GBPJPY, we were looking at sales. So this was a setup I sent yesterday to the group. I was expecting price to come and tap this zone, then we have a push to the low. As you can see, price came back, tapped that zone, tapped this zone over here. We had a small push, then another opportunity to re-enter the trade came over there, and it gave us a small push, 1:2. Then we were invalidated. So this was basically a break-even trade, because I was anticipating price to continue push, targeting these lows over here. So that was how we were able to execute our trades for today. I want you guys to have a lovely weekend. In case of any questions, just reach out to me. I'll be able to answer you any questions that you may be having. Thank you for your time.